Okay, just give me 90 seconds of your time. If you are unhappy, if you are depressed, if you're anxious, if you don't feel like you have a lot of purpose anymore, I'm not going to edit it, it's fine. Here's the one thing that's going to make your life better. I need you to become obsessed with learning everything you can about personal finance. Why? Because money means options. The whole narrative that money can't buy you happiness, that's complete bullshit. I'm a multimillionaire. I have never been happier. I have never been happier. I can leave bad relationships or bad jobs. I can start my own business, something that I did. I can donate to causes I believe in. I can travel. I can go to therapy because I can afford it. Now, of course, you're going, but Tori, we live under capitalism. I know. I hate it. Trust me, I know. But you as a woman, especially if you're another minority too, a woman of color, a queer woman, a disabled woman, it is an act of protest to have a financial education, to have financial stability and financial freedom, because you never, ever, ever have to stay in a situation that doesn't respect you anymore. So if you're trying to feel better about your life, if you want to feel happier, learn everything you possibly can about money, and I would be honored to teach you.